Hey everyone, welcome back to Kitchen and Home Review. Today, we're exploring top 12 Amazon kitchen gadgets you'll wish you bought earlier. Once you see them, you'll definitely want them in your kitchen. So friends, let's start. Traveling Slow Cooker. Introducing the Presto 06017 Nomad Traveling Slow Cooker. Your portable solution for cooking and serving meals on the go. With a large 8-quart capacity, it's perfect for family gatherings, tailgates, potlucks, road trips, and parties. The locking lid and spill-proof design keep food secure during travel, while the built-in handle makes carrying easy and convenient. Inside, the non-stick pot cooks soups, stews, roasts, chili, pasta, and more low and slow for rich, flavorful meals. When you arrive, just open, serve, and enjoy. With a rugged cooler-style exterior and simple controls, the Nomad keeps food hot and transport hassle-free. Wondrous Tea Magic Pot. Add a touch of magic to your tea time with the Mactano Enchanty Tea Pot. This 600 ml enchanted glass teapot comes with a built-in strainer for perfect brewing every time. Its witchcraft-inspired design creates a mystical vibe, making it ideal for cozy evenings or magical tea rituals. Touchscreen Toaster. Upgrade your breakfast routine with the Wall Touchscreen Toaster. This sleek 2-slice stainless steel toaster features a smart digital touchscreen with an easy-to-read timer and sound alerts for perfect results every time. Its extra-wide slots fit bagels, thick bread, and more, while the bagel, cancel, and defrost functions give you total control. Modern, stylish, and built for precision, this silver wall toaster makes every morning smarter and more delicious. Stove knob covers. Keep your little ones safe with these child-proof stove knob covers and oven lock. Designed with a double key system, they prevent curious hands from turning on gas or electric burners. The clear, heat-resistant material blends perfectly with any kitchen style, while the standard 2.1-inch into 2.4 size fits most stove knobs. Easy to install, durable, and secure. A must-have for child safety in every home. Stove gap covers. Keep your kitchen clean and stylish with these stainless steel stove gap covers. Designed to fill the space between your stove and countertop, they prevent crumbs, spills, and grease from falling in. Heat-resistant, easy to clean, and adjustable from 13.8 to 27.5 inches. These sleek black gap fillers give your kitchen a polished, modern look. A must-have for every kitchen. Spice jars. Keep your kitchen neat and stylish with this glass spice jar set. It includes 24 square 4 ounces jars with sleek stainless steel lids, perfect for organizing all your favorite herbs and spices. You'll also get 240 pre-printed and blank labels, shaker inserts, and a steel funnel for easy refilling. The clear glass design lets you see contents at a glance, while the black lids add a modern touch. Durable, elegant, and functional, this spice organizer set is the ultimate upgrade for any kitchen. Self-stirring mug. Upgrade your daily routine with the self-stirring mug, a lightweight, electric mixing cup designed for effortless convenience. This high-speed 400 milliliters mixer instantly blends coffee, milk, protein shakes, and mixed drinks with just the press of a button. No more stirring spoons or clumps, just smooth, perfectly mixed beverages anytime. Ideal for office desks, home use, or on the go, its clear design lets you watch the powerful swirl in action. Enjoy faster, cleaner, and smarter mixing with this electric self-stirring mug. Rotating oven. The Presto 03434 Pizzazz Plus rotating oven brings fast, crispy, and evenly cooked pizza right to your countertop. Its rotating non-stick tray and dual top and bottom heating elements ensure perfect results every time. No preheating required. Ideal for 12-inch pizzas, snacks, and frozen favorites, it delivers delicious crispiness while using less energy than a traditional oven. With its easy-to-clean design and stylish green and gold finish, this compact pizza oven is a must-have for quick meals, parties, and family movie nights. Portable dishwasher. Meet the Yuhami Countertop Dishwasher, your compact cleaning solution for small kitchens, apartments, and RVs. With a 5L built-in water tank, There's no hookup needed, making it super convenient anywhere you go. It offers 6 smart programs including baby care, air dry, quick ECO, fruit, and normal modes to suit every need. The 167 degrees Fahrenheit high-temperature wash ensures deep cleaning and sanitization for spotless, hygienic dishes every time. Sleek, portable, and energy efficient. This mini dishwasher brings big power in a small design. Microwave plus steamer. Keep your microwave clean and your food perfectly heated with this 10-inch microwave splatter cover with built-in water steamer. This 2-pack set works as both a splatter guard and a mini steamer, helping you heat meals evenly while preventing messy spills. The vented lid and easy lift handle make it simple and safe to use, whether you're reheating leftovers or steaming veggies. Durable, reusable, and designed to fit most plates, it's the perfect kitchen essential for faster, cleaner, and healthier cooking. Egg slicer. Stainless steel wire. Egg slicer wires made sturdy stainless steel with sturdy, tensioned wires that can slice through eggs cleanly without bending or breaking. Ergonomic design. Egg cutter made of high-quality aluminum alloy for the base and handle are durable and rust-resistant. Ergonomic handles provide a comfortable grip. Non-slip bases keep the slicer stable during use. Ease of use. Egg slicer with a perfect egg slot. Just drop the egg, and with one click you get neat slices. Not just eggs, but also other soft foods like strawberries, mushrooms, banana, butter, and soft cheeses. Easy to clean. Hollow base design. Food residue is very easy to remove. Dishwasher safe or clean with light rubbing. Dish soap and a rinse of water. Convenient and easy to clean. Service. If you have any problems, please feel free to contact us. We will reply in 24 hours. Egg cooker. Satisfaction guaranteed. Dash Rapid Egg Cooker is the original and most trusted egg cooker on the market for perfect eggs your way, every time we guarantee it. 6 egg capacity. Cook up to 6 eggs in soft, medium, or hard-boiled firmness while saving time and water. Eggs come out consistently perfect with shell easy to peel, and cleanup is snap. Versatile. This is the perfect appliance for picky eaters, large families, or those who have busy schedules. Hard-boiled eggs, soft-boiled eggs, poached eggs, scrambled eggs, individual omelets, and all within minutes of the push start button. It couldn't be easier. Dish cleaning brush. Keep your dishes sparkling clean with the dish cleaning brush. Designed with durable bristles, this brush easily removes grease, stains, and stuck-on food without scratching your plates, pans, or cookware. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, making dishwashing faster and more efficient. Perfect for everyday kitchen use, this versatile brush is also ideal for cleaning sinks. So, which gadget surprised you the most? Tell me in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Kitchen and Home Review, and hit the bell icon, so you never miss our latest Amazon finds. So, friend, thanks to you for watching the full video.